What up, guys? Today I'm gonna teach you how to make money with ChatGPT. I'm gonna give you guys 9 proven methods, and you can test all of them for yourself. And then you can find out the one that works best for you. So, the laziest ways you can make money. And when I say lazy, I don't necessarily mean you do it one time and then you sleep and forget about it. It gives you an opportunity to create a system and then you can automate that system. Either you can outsource it using AI or you can outsource it using a virtual assistant like a person that stays somewhere else cheaper. So let me know waste your time. Let me get right into it. The first way is through affiliate marketing. So for example, let me show you guys my blog. This is successtechservices.com, and in my blog, if you take a look at it, I have things like how to make money with ChatGPT, the ultimate guides to using AI tools for affiliate marketing, top must-have features of CRM software. So things like this, you can go ahead and create a lot of articles using AI like ChatGPT, and you can create transactional articles like this one, top 9 best AI novel writing software, or you can create informational content like this one, how to make money with ChatGPT, just like you're watching right now. And the more content you create, the more link building you do, because you can't just create content and put it out there. You also got to build links, through guest posting, through niche edits and things like that. The more chances you have of building up a business that starts taking off. How many blog posts a week do I advise you to create? If you're just by yourself, I'll say one a week is more than okay. If you can go up to 2 a week, that's even better. But one a week is more than okay. The most important thing is consistency, putting out quality content, and not just putting out quality content, but also building links for that content. All right. So let me get to the next one. The next way you can make money with ChatGPT is by creating a faceless YouTube channel. So if you head over to, I think I have a video on this. Let me just go over to my YouTube channel real quick. I think I have a video on this to show you guys. So if you head over to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you guys real quick. As you can see, I have a video here that I created. It's on a picture review. Picture is a tool that pretty much gives you an opportunity to create a video without you having to show your face, without you having to do virtually any work other than providing a script. And so you can head over to ChatGPT, for example, and ask ChatGPT to create a script for you. So let me just ask ChatGPT to create a quick script. I'll say create a video script on cat versus dogs, and then you can start a YouTube channel pretty much with this, and ChatGPT is pretty much going to give you an entire script, and you can go ahead and put in this different text into a tool like Pictory.ai. And so that's for the second way to make it. And by the way, let me just show you what Pictory.ai looks like in case you don't know. And also I'm going to leave links to some of these websites that I'm mentioning in the description below, so you don't have to worry about much. So this is what Pictory looks like. You come in here, you put in the script, you can just get started for free. The pricing is pretty reasonable, and then from there you can go ahead and create as many videos as you want. My advice for you, if you're going to use AI to create a faceless YouTube channel, is go towards niches that don't need a human face behind them. So you can go towards something like maybe a health niche that just gives pretty decent advice, like how to wash your hair to prevent dandruff, things like that. So the more of this type of niches you go to, they're good. You can start earning ad revenue, and if you're sharp about it, you can also earn affiliate income even before you get monetized. So the third way is going to be through email copywriting. So what you want to do, you can head over to a place like ChatGPT again, because we're talking about ChatGPT, and you can become an email copywriter. So what your job will be is that you create email copies and email sequences for businesses, and then you just sell it to them on a place like Fiverr, for example. So if I go to Fiverr, you can head over to a place like Fiverr and then sell, email marketing to people on here. You can also go to a place like Upwork. You can also go to a place like peopleperhour.com and then sell it to people on there. Another thing you can do too, you can also sell Instagram DM sequences. So these days we have chatbots like Mobile Monkey, Chatfield, and whenever a person replies to a story, or whenever a person replies to a post, You can help businesses set up a sequence in which they get a reply back in the DM, pretty much leading them over to a sales funnel that will eventually turn them into a client. The fourth way to make money using ChatGPT is by pretty much running a Twitter account management business. So what you can do is you can use ChatGPT to come up with different tweets and different threads every single day for different businesses in different niches. So for example, take a look at this guy right here, Hussein Asghar. 12 AI tools to finish hours of work in minutes, and she did not pay this AI lawyer Imogen. So you can use ChatGPT to come up with things like this every single day. And then you can use a tool like Buffer, which is they have a free version. You can use a tool like Buffer to then schedule out these tweets, like 10, you can schedule up to 10 for free, and go ahead and just schedule it out on Twitter, and it goes out. And then when a person goes ahead and clicks on show more, they'll be able to see a link that will then maybe lead them to a spreadsheet that gives them access to all these tools, and then you have your affiliate links hidden in them, or sends them directly to your email list that you can then use to promote the affiliate tools. The number 5 way, that's the 5th way to do it, is by becoming a translator. So if we head over to ChatGPT, for example, and you can end up becoming a translator here. So let me just ask ChatGPT a question. What is the core difference between dogs and cats? And ChatGPT will answer this question. And once it's done answering the question, you can then tell ChatGPT to translate it into another language. And ChatGPT will translate it into another language. I'm going to show you guys. Translate into Japanese, and ChatGPT will go ahead and translate it. And what you can do is you can reach out to blog owners, and you can let them know that you can help translate their blogs to reach wider audiences. Let me just give you guys a trick real quick so you can know. So if you go over to a place like, let me just say, use my website as an example. I'll show you guys how you can do this. So when you reach out to them, when you pitch to them, it makes sense. Let me show you guys. So you head over to my blog, right? You get the Chrome extension called SimilarWeb, and then if you click on it, SimilarWeb will then give you a scale of who visits the site. So it says Turkey, Mexico, Czech Republic, Finland. You can then go ahead and then let them know, hey, since you have a huge Turkish audience, and then you screenshot this, I can translate your blog post for you. And if they accept your pitch, you then give them your price, and then you do this. So this is a nice way to make revenue like almost every single day, because there are lots of huge blog owners out here that actually need people helping them translate their posts. Just like you have people who translate other people's YouTube videos, there are people who also need you to help translate their blog posts. Method number 6, resume creation. So you can niche down in this as much as possible, and then sell this to a place like Craigslist, or sell this on a place like Fiverr. So I can say, create a resume template that will get me a guaranteed job in Google. And ChatGPT will go ahead and create it. So it'll let you know, like, it's not possible to, no one can guarantee you that, but it's going to give you something that works. So you can then go ahead and use this and sell it to people. Let them know, hey, if you want a template that can guarantee you get into Google, this is it. And then obviously you can go ahead and tweak it a little bit and offer this. And before people will be able to access the template, they have to sign up for your email list, and then you can sell to them using your email list. But ChatGPT can help you get there. Number 7 is product descriptions. So if you head over to a place like Amazon, for example, you'll see a lot of these products in here. The reason why they typically show up on the first page, or the reason why you might find them on Google, is because the product description our search engine optimized. So what you can do is you can become a person who optimizes products to show up on Google. And what you want to do is you can go over to Google and type in, let's say you can think of a niche. For example, let's say camp tents for sale, and then you want to go after pages. So as you can see, you can show this one's here, this one's are ads. And what you want to do is you want to go after pages that go past page 3. So if you keep clicking on more results, you eventually reach the ones that go past page 3. And you then pitch the business owners and let them know, hey, I can get you straight to page 1 by optimizing your product descriptions. And remember what I said at the beginning, these methods I'm giving you will not necessarily just make you wealthy overnight. That doesn't happen. Instead, what it's going to give you is going to give you a chance to create a system that you can then outsource and you can automate, so you can sleep and make money. So these are just ideas that I'm just giving you. Okay. The number 8 is digital product creation. So you can use ChatGPT to actually create products in any niche, or to think of product ideas in any niche. So I'll say, give me digital product ideas for the beauty niche. And you can be more specific, that will sell on Etsy. So you can go ahead and create digital products and then sell them on Etsy, sell it on a place like Gumroad. With Gumroad, you kind of have to build your own audience and then send them over there. On a place like Etsy, so let's just see, printable beauty planner and things like that, beauty blogging templates. That's one I know that sells very well. You can go further and ask ChatGPT to give you an outline. You can then ask it to go further and give you text for the outline, and then you then go ahead and sell it on a place like Etsy, or sell it on a place like, what you guys call it, Gumroad. Then the last but not the least method is by becoming a prompt expert. If you go to a lot of websites like Nerd Wallets or a lot of these mortgage broker sites, you have things like mortgage calculators on there. So what you can become a person who offers calculators and headline generators, things like that, for different blogs all over the internet. What you just do, you just go over there and you type mortgage broker near me, and once you click on them, you go over to their website and then you check if they have a mortgage calculator or not. If they don't have a mortgage calculator, you can hit them up. You have to be a salesperson with this. You hit them up and you let them know, hey, I looked at your website, it looks nice and everything, but I'd love to offer you a mortgage calculator because I feel it will increase the conversions from your website. That's just a quick pitch. And you can go over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, and you can do this for different businesses. Mortgage broker is just the one that came up in my head. Just say, create a mortgage calculator and parenthesis HTML, and ChatGPT will go ahead and it will give you an entire code, a simple one for a mortgage calculator that you can easily just sell to these businesses. I don't know the price you give it to them for, but it depends on how much you'll be able to convince them to take it in the first place. They'll give you access to their websites, you plug it in there, you make your money. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end, and make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you hit that bell, and comment down below what you want me to create a video on next, and I look forward to catching you guys next time.